honorable teachers, esteemed parents, and my dear friends, a very warm and heartfelt welcome to all of you to this grand cultural program organized by tradition on today at Nagar Parishad Urdu Primary School number 4, Chikli, district Buldhana. In today's program, students from standard 1 to 5 will showcase their talents through various forms of art, dance, song, drama, and cultural performance. Such programs play a vital role in the all-round development of students and help to build confidence, discipline, and cultural awareness among them. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to our respected headmaster Nasir sir for his valuable guidance, to our dedicated teacher, respected Azim sir, respected Saurabh sir, respected Parvez sir, respected Mohammad Junaid sir, respected Junaid Khan sir, respected Shahnaz miss, respected Sana miss for their hard work, to our SMC president, respected Sheikh Sajid Shabir sir, and all members of school management committee for his continuous support, and to the parents for their cooperation, which made wonderful program possible. Without taking much of your valuable time, I invite you all to enjoy this colorful and delightful cultural program. Thank you. जिस तरह से अल्लामा इकबाल फरमाते हैं, अल्लाह से करे दूर वो तालीम भी फितना, अमलाक भी, औलाद भी, जागीर भी फितना, ना हक के लिए उठे वो शमशीर भी फितना, शमशीर तो क्या नाराज तकबीर भी फितना। मैं कतरा हो कि भी दरिया से जंग करता हूँ, मैं कतरा हो के भी दरिया से जंग करता हूँ, मुझको बचाना समंदर की जिम्मेदारी है। दुआ करो